In this video, I will show you how to make your profile super aesthetic. Take a look at my profile now. This could be just like yours, too. It looks boring, no bio, no status. The name layout looks like a misfit. How can we fix this? Pick two contrasting colors that match very well when they are together, like I am picking pink and white. You can pick any, like brown and beige, black and gray, green and orange. You know what I mean? Once the color combos are picked, we will use them in our profile. Now join my Discord server since we have server decor channels, and one of them is PFP. Since you picked your favorite color combinations, let's type that color here in the search bar of that channel. Since I picked pink and white, I typed it here and found the results. Everything is organized in my server. Since we use tags, it's easy to find the themes. Now pick your favorite PFP from here, or you can use Pinterest. Since I already have a PFP, I will move to the bio. We've got that covered too. Go to the bio layout channel. Now type your theme in the search, and you should be able to see it. I've picked pink, therefore, my choice of bios have appeared. Now remember, you have to stick with just two colors, not more than that. We are not making a rainbow. Pick out your favorite bio and fill it out. I've already picked out mine. Therefore, I will just copy and paste at the bio section of my profile. Here, I have mentioned the name, pronouns, birth date, and the link of my website or socials. The emojis that I've used are only white and pink as we are keeping only two colors. The bio has started to look better now. Now, let's elevate it. When you use backtick on both ends of the emoji, it won't work here. We need to use a little trick for this. Copy this bio layout first. Then go to your server and use Mimibot's command/embed edit all. It will open up an embed box. Paste your bio layout there and simply use backtick symbols on both ends of the emojis. It should look like this. Now simply copy this version of the bio layout and paste it in your profile's bio section. Doesn't this look cooler than the previous version? But it's your choice to keep the first one or the second one. Now, let's fix your status. I'm tired of reading people's statuses, not gonna lie. Almost all of them are depressing and tells you the story of their life that nobody cares about. You don't want those status. So let's upgrade our status to a whole new level. You can join my server for the status layout too. First, let's create a status. Remember the two color combo rule? I will keep the emoji white here to match my profile's whole aesthetic and keep the status rather more professional, like editing a video or I'm at work or school. Now let's change the name layout. But first, we need to make the name layout to match the theme. No worries, just join my main Discord server. Everything is covered for you. I have already made a matching layout. Doesn't it also look super cool? I made it in such a way that the colors and symbols complement my overall profile. Now we can add extra things like avatar effect. Remember, this is free. Make sure to have at least 4,000 orbs to get avatar effect. Don't get the color combo rules. Since I picked white and pink, I will choose an avatar effect that matches my whole profile. No need to copy my style, simply pick your style and see what's best for you. Now let's go back and see our profile. And this one looks so much better than the previous one, wouldn't you say? If you think this looks too soft and female-like, no need to use it. You can pick your own color combo, as I said, like brown, beige, red, black, and anything you want. But remember to keep only two colors. Anyway, if you want me to make a video on how to create a profile with Discord Nitro, then let me know in the comment section. And remember, this whole profile is completely free to use. I didn't pay money for this. Anyone can make this. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button as it does not cost money.